What's good? It's your boy Joneses and welcome back to the channel. If you've been here before, if you're new, nice to see you. Stay tuned because as always, the people that have been here know I always got some heat. But real quick, I want to thank y'all for getting me to 400 subs. Finally, I feel like it was long overdue. But I appreciate y'all. Y'all that have stuck here after the giveaway has ended and y'all been watching my videos. I appreciate y'all big time. So let's just keep going. Let's keep growing. You know, make sure y'all are hitting that like button. And if you're new here, you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And leave a comment and talk to your boy. You know, I talk to everybody in the comments all the time. I spend a lot of time in the comment section. I'm not gonna lie. I be having full-on conversations with people. But yeah, y'all go do that. Make sure you like the video, like some of my past videos, go check them out. But today is a good day. We got 2 pair of shoes today. And I'm high-key excited about both of these. So let's go ahead and bring the first one in. So the first one is an Air Force One. Now y'all know Air Force Ones on this channel, they be heat, like they be tough. Now this one, I think these are like the Deaaron Foxes. I'm not sure. I think they're the Deaaron Fox Air Force Ones, but these are tough. Let me just get one shoe out. They're not 2 different color shoes. They are one color, but just look at these. Like, man, these are a lot tougher than what people are making them out to be. So first of all, I got these out the mall. Like, they were literally sitting on shelves and I'm like, yo, why are those just chilling on shelves? Like, they really should be sold out. But these are tough. Let's get into some of the details. So off rip, you see it's an all white shoe. Well, pretty much all white. You got a white upper, white midsole, and then you got a purple bottom. This is dope. And then it's got like these little green hints in it. This is dope. I like that about the shoe. And then the air right here is like a hot pink reddish color. And then we got this like green swoosh with like black in it and white. It's pretty dope. It's like holographic kind of, but it doesn't do anything special. At least I don't think it does anything special. But on the back, you got Nike Air in yellow, and then you got that same green holographic stuff on the back. And then on the inside swoosh, same thing, green swoosh with the holographic like white in it with some green stitching. And the laces are white. And then on the tongue, we got a white leather tongue with a green like tag up here. See how well y'all can see that. And the insole says define your game, and it has like these different colors. It has a swoosh and like a bunch of different colors around it. But let's see, what is this? Tuned in, engineered to the exact specifications of championship athletes. Tuned in. That's what the tongue says. I don't know how well y'all can see that. But I've never seen anyone hoop in Air Force Ones. But another detail about this shoe, right here you have this Nike sign. You have this swoosh right here, and then around it is like red, yellow, green, and orange. But that's pretty dope hint. That's one of my favorite parts about this shoe, honestly. Y'all know white Air Force Ones, the all white Air Force Ones always sell out so fast, but I think this is a good touch because I don't like the all simple shoes. Like, don't get me wrong, the all white Air Force is definitely a classic. Everyone needs to have a pair of white Forces in their arsenal or in their collection. And this is my pair right here. This is gonna be my pair of white Forces. And these are sick in my opinion. Like, I really, really like this shoe. And I can't wait to start bringing this out because Air Forces are a perfect summer and winter shoe. So I'm gonna be wearing this. I'm gonna try not to wear it a lot just because it has a white upper, but they're not reselling for a lot. So I could honestly double up if I really wanted to, but these are just sick. Like, I love this shoe. Let's get the other one out so you can see the both of them. And so like I said, everything on the shoes, they're both exactly the same. Check them out. And it's just a sick colorway. And another thing I'm noticing, there's like it says Nike Hoops. Okay, so it says Nike Hoops in black right here. And you can flip that up, there's nothing under it. Dang. I was hoping there's gonna be something up under this little tab right here, but there's nothing. Yeah, same thing on this shoe. Everything's the same. Nice leather upper. This leather is really, really nice. Like, I love it. It's tumbled the perfect way. And yeah, if you want to get a pair of Air Forces, make sure you go half a size down. That is one thing I learned over time. You need to go half a size down because they run a little big and they'll fit just right. Some people may get their true to size, but I like to go half a size down. And I've also heard plenty of other people say go half a size down. But these are sick, man. This is a sick colorway. The Deaaron Fox Air Force Ones. I don't know what type of collab it was that they did this with, but I just think it's a sick shoe, and I had seen them before they released. So before they released, I had seen them on sneakers, but I was comping other shoes at the time, and I thought they were dope. I didn't think they looked that good, and then I was just walking in the mall, like browsing, looking around at shoes, and these like just instantly caught my eye. Like they were up on the shelf, and I was like, yo, those are sick. So I tried them on. Here's the story. I tried them on, and the two guys in Foot Locker were like, yo, just go ahead and buy them, get them. And I was actually at the time looking for hooping shoes, like shoes for me to actually hoop in. And I saw these, I was like, yo, let me try these on. So I tried them on, and they looked so good on my feet. Y'all want to see on feet? 45 likes. Y'all know the deal, man. But yeah, they look so good on my feet. So I was like, I might have to cop these. So I ended up not getting them that day, and I went back literally like 2 days later. Ended up copping these, and I love this purchase. Like these are sick. The all white, just the different colors. Y'all know I always tell y'all I love like the different color stuff, where you can just wear really whatever you want, and no matter what, it's gonna match. That's the best thing about different colors on shoes. Whenever you have the different color shoes, you can wear whatever you want, literally. Like right now, this shirt I'm wearing, these would go so perfect with it. And I bought this shirt for my off-white UNCs, but these would go perfect with it. And it's just a sick shoe, very well constructed, and I love it. I can't wait to rock them. But here we are, Air Force One, the Deaaron Fox collab, and they're sick. Also on the aglets, I learned that from Phineas and Ferb, that AGLET, I think it is. Y'all know what I'm talking about, man. But the aglets are like red, purple, and yellow. I don't know how well y'all can see that. Yeah, they look pretty good. It's pretty dope. Nice little touch. Yeah, these Air Force Ones. This is the first pair that I'm keeping in my collection, size 9.5. I actually be wearing these a lot. So if you see me around, you'll probably see me with these on a lot. And don't judge me. I will double up on these though, because I know they're gonna get dirty fast. But here we are, the Deaaron Fox Air Force Ones. These are sick. I love them. And yeah, you already know what time it is, man. On to the next shoe. Now, this next shoe, this one, I'm not gonna lie, I was a little like iffy on, but my boy, he was like, he works at Foot Action. He's like, yo, do you want a pair? So let's bring them in first. So these are the Concord, or what I like to call them, the Cornbread 11 lows. They're like the Concord Bred 11 lows. But yeah, I call them the Cornbread. So the Cornbreads, my boy was like, yo, do you want a pair of the Cornbreads? It sounds so funny saying that, but he was like, do you want a pair of the Cornbreads? And I was like, and if there's any shoe I can pass up on right now, that's the shoe. But if you can get it for me, whatever, I'll take it. So he's like, I bet. What size? I was like, 10. He's like, I got you. So he ended up getting them for me. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of disappointed in this shoe. Like, I really am. I'm kind of disappointed in it. Let's just get it out real quick. So you got all your standard packaging. You got the Jordan 11 box. And let's get this shoe out. So here we are. The Cornbread 11 lows. Now, I'm gonna take both out real quick and just talk about these for a second. So these, I had seen images and I already thought like, nah, not for me. I don't think so. But I was just like, I'm gonna get them, and I got them, and I'm kind of disappointed. Like, well, I'm not really kind of disappointed because I knew they didn't look that good. I don't know why I got them in the first place. Really, because I wanted y'all to see and get a review out for y'all. I'm probably gonna end up selling them, but they're dope. Now, here's one thing: these with shorts look crazy good. Like, I tried them on and I put them on some shorts, and I was like, dang. I low key was like, I don't know if I'm gonna sell them. I kind of like them, but I already have my Concord highs. If these were a high top, they would look so much better if they were a high top. Like, that's literally all they had to do was make this a high top, and this would have been a sick shoe. That's all they had to do. But yeah, I think it looks good, but you're not gonna like them unless you're holding them in hand. And I know I've been saying that a lot lately, but it's like the truth. Like, a lot of shoes don't look good unless you see them in person. So let's go over some of the details. So we got a white midsole with a red rubber bottom. So this is the Bred bottom, I'm guessing. and then this is the Concord upper. So it's like, I don't know whether they went Concords from here up or Breds from here down. Whatever y'all think they did, leave a comment. Also, if you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, if you're enjoying the content. But let's get back into it. So we got that patent leather right here. That black patent leather is so clean, looks so good. And then we also got some normal leather up here. It's some good quality leather. Like usually on the 11s, the leather is bad. Like it's not that good. But this leather is actually like really high quality, and it's super soft and buttery. And once again, this is another leather that I wish was on the Fire Rat 5s, because they would have came out so much better and I would have kept them. But we got a white upper, and we got some white laces, and then right here has that Jordan logo, and then in the middle has the red Jumpman. And on the back we got a 23, and then we got this right here. This threw me off. So it's like a small little Jumpman, but look at him. Why does he look so funny? Like he's so smushed. It's like they just smushed him in right there. So I honestly don't really like that. And I think they should have just left them off, took them off completely, and let it be blank with just the number 23 right there. But they like squeezed them in there. And I saw another pair of 11s that got leaked images of them, and they have another Jumpman, this little small Jumpman who just looks weird. He looks like a cartoon figure. And excuse me, they've got the Jumpman in the middle squeezed in right there. So I don't know, maybe that's just a new thing that they're going to do with the low tops. But they don't look that bad, honestly. Like when you put them on feet and you got some shorts on, you got some nice Nike socks or whatever, you got some cool socks on, they look pretty good. And that was one thing I like about them. So they're decent. I'm not gonna say they're bad. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give them like a 6.5, which is pretty bad, honestly. But when you put them on feet with some shorts, they do look good. I'll admit that they do look good. But here we are, what I like to call the cornbread 11 lows. And yeah, they're decent, man. They got carbon fiber plate right here. And I'm glad they didn't do like the black and white one. I kind of like this one more, the black and gray, but there's a black and white one. I think that's on the Bred 11s. But they got the black and gray, but on the bottom we also got that black Jumpman in there. And yeah, man, I don't know. I honestly don't know how I feel about these. Like I like them, but I don't. I feel like they kind of just like threw a shoe together just to put it out. And I feel like they've been doing that a lot with a lot of the shoes that have been coming out. They've just been throwing stuff together and they're just like, and whatever, release it. So this shoe could have been a lot better. Definitely feels high top, it'd be a lot better. But I mean, I don't know. I like them. At the same time, I don't. Leather is really nice on them. That's one thing. If you get them, you're getting some good leather. And I just think this is a shorts only shoe. Like I don't think if you put jeans on these, they're gonna look good. But just the upper part, the Concord part of the shoe, I really like. Well, that's just because I like Concord, but that's always gonna look good to me. I was thinking about keeping these and hooping in them, but I'm probably gonna get rid of them. But I like them. Cornbread 11 lows. They're pretty tough. And if you want to get a pair, they're going for pretty cheap right now. Make sure you go grab them if you want a pair. Get them now while they're cheap, because I do believe that these will go up in value over time within the next couple months. And that is just because it's an 11 low, and 11 lows are kind of rare in my opinion. But yeah, once again, Concord 11 lows. It's the last shoe I got for y'all today, man. I appreciate y'all. Once again, thank you for getting me to 400 subs. And one more time, let's go through Concord 11 lows. And then we got the Deaaron Fox Air Force Ones. These are tough. One of my favorite shoes I have right now. Definitely these Deaaron Fox Air Force Ones. But that's all we got for today, man. I appreciate y'all. Make sure you hit that sub button. Make sure you hit that like button if you haven't already. And as always, man, y'all know your boy Joneses. Once again, I stay drip. Peace.
She working that shit. She working that shit. She working that shit. Yeah. She fuck with me cause I'm all about that bad. Can't fuck with that boy unless he bout that cash. Saw that bitch in public, I push up on that. Yeah, this nigga pussy cat. I need that bread by the stack. Can't fuck that bitch, she not bad. She suck me up like a bat. I hit that bitch from the back with my Tommies, sending a couple of shots at your body. These niggas talking, I'm not worried about them. These niggas bitch when they talk, I say metal. If you want smoke, tell them I'ma come at 'em. I'm riding solo, I don't need no backup. I'm headed up top like I'm